Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do Mustangs break down a lot? The owners are used to dogging out their cars, probably because most models of Mustang break down so often and depreciate so fast it really doesn't matter. So, drivers expect their cars to idle rough, stall, have power loss problems, etc.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Honestly, the GT isn't that bad as a daily driver. I get 17 to 19 mpg in the city, and I've gotten as high as 24 to 25 on the highway during a road trip. I average between 18 to 20 mpg right now, with about 70% city and 30% highway driving.
Let's help you make your mark.
I honestly wouldn't buy a Mustang with 200k miles for $3,500. Price still seems a little too steep, and whilst I wouldn't necessarily worry about the engine dying, it will still require more servicing than one with a lower mileage.
Let's help you make your mark.
A late-model Ford Mustang is about the most inexpensive sports car you can buy in terms of average annual maintenance costs. Unlike the gorgeous but notoriously fickle Mustangs of the 1960s, recent models are reliable and durable, requiring little unscheduled maintenance in their first few years on the road.
Make your mark, take our lead.
As with any vehicle, there are a few common problems reported with the Ford Mustang. You might think there's no issue big enough to deter you from buying that model you have your eye on right now. However, it might be helpful to learn what repairs you can expect.
Take our lead.
The 3 best Ford Mustang models to buy used: 2011 Mustang, 2011 Mustang GT Ford, 2014 Mustang. The 2014 Mustang is also an appealing option because it is well equipped and affordable. 2019 Mustang. The 2019 Mustang beats out the 2018 model by a small margin because it has a slightly higher predicted reliability rating.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.